beautiful foggy morning here in Lunenburg, Nova Scotia. The plan this winter is to stay here in Lunenburg, and Mark will be working with a crew renovating an old school house into 4 nice apartments. But on weekends, Mark has a list of boat projects to work on, so he will be busy. This town is a great place to be since almost everything you need is within walking distance. Lunenburg is located in Nova Scotia on the east coast of Canada. Eleutheros is moored approximately where the crosshairs are in the Lunenburg Harbour. Once we're ashore and Mark has gone to work, I usually get out for a routine walk in the morning. It's a lovely time of day to walk. These men are usually out rowing their dory every morning. I enjoy the fresh air on the East Coast, especially by the ocean.
Well, I need a bosun's chair. I haven't varnished the masts on this boat since it was launched in 2021, 2 years ago. And that's pushing the limits for not recoating varnish. So I'm just picking the length there to suit myself, since I'm the one using it. So when we're out sailing, need a wedge beside the anchor. When it gets a little rougher out, kind of clunks away and it's a little annoying. So I'm going to use this wedge to secure it. So the wedge just goes right in here, and it just keeps that anchor from tipping back and forth. I'm going to drill a hole in it right here so I can lash it in place so it doesn't pop out and fall in the water.
Good morning. It's a windy day, and I am just spending the day on the boat myself, just having a relaxing morning. I was looking for a rainbow. Not sure I see one. We are on a mooring ball for the first time in a fairly well protected spot. We met a couple in Sheet Harbour and they offered to let us use it, which we were very thankful for. Lovely looking golf course. Over here. And some colorful houses. There's usually always something going on in the harbor.
Chopping the kale for boerenkool, which is potatoes and kale and onions smashed together. And now we mash this all together. I'll serve this with a bit of gravy and a sausage.
All right, looks really yummy. Taste test.
Delicious.
Getting ready for another tropical storm. Mark's putting an anchor out. He's just taking some extra precaution.
So I just rode out an extra anchor. We've got this tropical storm Phillip coming, and we're on a mooring, and it's a good mooring, but I just want to put the anchor out there, and it can take most of the strain and from the worst direction. So I'm just gonna set the anchor in. Right, so I'll just take the chimney down for this storm. I'll put the stopper in there and make sure it's in really good. And then the cap will fit over that.
Alright, so what's happening now?
I'm just setting the snubber on the chain.
Okay.
Setting it so that the mooring ball isn't against the boat. We're just a little bit back from it.
Wind's picking up a little bit. Along nicely here. Hey, glad you joined us. Thanks for watching.